Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use a JVAC torque wrench kit. Believe it or not, not many people know how to use these. If you're ever in the trade, plumbing or air conditioning, and you're coming across a specific torque setting, what the manufacturer specifies that it needs to be torqued to, then this tool is the tool for the job. So basically it comes in sizes from 17mm to 29mm. So basically how you set these guys, so say for example on an aircon unit the manufacturer states that one of the flare nuts needs to be tightened to 44 Newton meters. So what we do, guys, is I'll just show it to the camera. So that's obviously 0. So what we need to do is we need to, on the left hand side you've got 10, 42 and 65. On the right hand side we have 18, 55 and 75. So if the manual says 44 and we've only got 42 on there, I'm going to show you how we do it. So what we do is we turn this handle until we hit 44 on the 42 on the handle there, and it comes in at 42 on the marker there at the top of the handle. So we'll twist that all the way. Keep twisting it, guys, and then a bit more. You find as you're going further up, the tougher it gets. So there we go. I'm going to stop that now. So if you can see, 42 is at the bottom marker there of the 42 on the handle. I'll put it there so you can see, look. And then what we need to do is we just need to turn 2 increments clockwise, and that gives us the 44 Newton meters. So we'll just go that, look guys, 1, 2, and that is now set at 44 Newton meters, and we lock her off at the bottom there. And then obviously, say for example the flare nuts 17 mil, sorry, we put our 17mm spanner end in where the arrow's showing there, like that, as so, and obviously that's in that, obviously that's your tightening action. And then once it gets to 44 Newton meters it will click, and then that's it, it's done. And basically that is how you use them, guys, basically. And to obviously, when you're putting it away, always make sure when you put them away, any torque wrench, is to take it off its spring like that. So it's off its spring and then it's ready for next time. So that's it, guys. That is how you use a JVAC torque wrench kit, either in plumbing or air conditioning. Thanks for watching, guys, and look out for our next video and hit that like button.